Hi folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. Now I'm doing these shorts really quick. What every prepper and armchair prepper and wannabe survivalists always forget is to have sleeping gear. Now, unfortunately, I don't have my handmade, expensive canvas tarp 6x8 that I made, okay? Has grommets, the whole bit. I made. Also, another thing is I waterproof it old school style and then rubberize it on one side. Unfortunately, it cost me $169.72. Unfortunately, my idiot nephew, again, say, Uncle Alan, you got really good stuff. That's fine for camping. Okay, I might not make it this short because I'm upset and it's like, why can't you get your own stuff? Because you know better, Uncle Al. I gotta love him. You should have some form of sleeping bag rated at 40 or below. This one's a 40 rater. I'm old school. I like the old school style. I do have a mummy type for colder weather. You want to have some kind of roll-up pad to separate you and the ground. When you do this, I always recommend you have a space blanket for really cold days, and you can use that in your shelter or the tarp. Tarp covers you from everything else, and if necessary, you can roll it up with your sleeping bag. Pad goes on the ground. Around the sleeping bag is a space blanket and then the tarp. Okay, not rocket science, folks. Easy as pie. Now, I have a zip up insert. This is fleece line. But what I prefer is a wool blanket and pins. I'm old school. You put it into the sleeping bag. So you have 2 layers and you have airspace. That's go for mummy type. It goes for regular 40 type. A lot of old timers know what I'm talking about. So you're in this cocoon, this little shelter. The only thing exposed is your face. Okay? And Uncle Al knows how to do the tricks to make a little shield to go over it and also mosquito netting because I'm that old. So I'll catch you later. Sorry this is a long one. It's about 3 minutes. But it's the basic simple principle. Okay? And once I get my tarp back, hopefully, because I got Uncle Alan has a lot of nephews that owes money and should pay up. I'm getting old. Catch you later, folks. You have a nice day now.